Hi guys, welcome to Containsol, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off the GoPro Hero 10 action camera. So recently I bought this GoPro Hero 10. So I just faced some little bit of issue like where to find the option to turn it off, but I'm not able to find it in the system menu or in the display menu. So there are two ways to turn on the GoPro. First thing is you can directly press this button so that it will start recording directly. Other button is you need to press this button so that it will turn on. So let us go and start by turning this on. So if I just clicked on it, so you can see it just started. Now I'll show you how to turn it off. So to turn it off, we'll not be able to find any options over here. Okay. Other option is to remove the battery directly, so which I don't find it very easy to do it. So there is one more option which where you can directly just click and hold this button. See, I'm just holding it, it will turn off. So in this way you can easily simply turn off your GoPro Hero 10. Thank you guys. If you like the video, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.